flap. I haven't got time to do a flap today. So the flap's all on there. But I've made up my flap, and I am going to lay it in and mark the lengths of my jet. Why do I make up my flap before I make up my jet?
So you know how big to make your jet?
Yeah, but why would I work it in that way rather than the other?
The kicky outy bit on the flap.
No. Done this. Someone. No one? Making up my flap length can be inconsistent because remember you're rolling in your edges. We don't know exactly how much it's going to roll in. So if we make our jets first and then we make our flap and we find that our flap is wider than our jets accidentally, or we find that our flap is far shorter than our jets, then we're going to end up with a gaping edge on one side, or we're going to end up with fluttering across the top of the jet. So we make the flap up first and then we make the sizes of the jet to the size of our flap. Okay? So we mark this, I bang it across, make up my flap, pretend I've got it, remark it on. Last year, what did we use to stay the pocket jets?
Was it linen holland?
Yep. So this year we're pretending that this is linen holland because A, it's cheaper, B, we didn't have enough. So I'm going to mark a line across the middle of my linen, and then I'm going to baste it in. So I lay that underneath. Oh, before I do that, I'm just going to add a little bit of fusible into the end here. So just bear with me. I do that so that my miters are nicely secured. Sophia, I've got your... Have I got yours? Oh, can I take this one? If you've got 3 then.